वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ईद मुबारक टू ऑल ऑफ यू। ओके, ईद की वजह से मेरे वीडियोस कुछ दिन के लिए रुके हुए रहे और अभी मैं ईद के बाद पहला वीडियो लेक्चर शूट कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, तो हमारा जो है चैप्टर फर्स्ट सिमिलैरिटी प्रॉब्लम सेट 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। ओके, व्हाट इज गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टडी इन द फिगर segment PA, segment QB, segment RC and segment SD are perpendicular to line AD, okay, as shown in the figure, and value of AB is 60, value of BC is 70, value of CD is 80 and PS is 280. Then find PQ, QR and RS. Okay, here AD, this line AD, and segment PA, QB, RC and SD all are perpendicular to the line AD. Okay, and we have given यहाँ पर वैल्यूज दिए हुए, किसके किसके वैल्यूज दिए हुए हैं? AB, BC, CD. Okay, I am writing here value of AB 60, okay, value of BC 70, value of CD 80 and value of PS, this whole PS is 280 degree or 280. Okay, not 280. Here we have to find PQ, QR and RS. PQ, QR and RS. Okay, so solution. First we have to write what is given. जो दिया हुआ है सबसे पहले हमको वो लिखना है। क्या क्या दिया हुआ है यहां पर मैं लिखता हूं। ओके, सेगमेंट SD, RC, QB, PA are perpendicular to line AD. Okay, this is line AD. All segments are perpendicular to one line. It means that they are parallel to each other. मतलब ये पूरे के पूरे जो सेगमेंट है वो एक लाइन के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर है। इट मीन्स दैट वो सब एक दूसरे के पैरेलल है। ओके, हेंस द सेगमेंट्स आर parallel to each other. Okay, what it means? Segment SD parallel to RC, parallel to QB, parallel to PA. If I give it as equation number 1, all these are parallel to each other. ये सब एक दूसरे के parallel है। Okay, now here if I take these two segment PA parallel to segment QB parallel to segment SD. Okay, I can say from equation number 1. Okay, then what I can say, what I can write here, these are the three parallel lines PA, QB and SD. Then by property of three parallel lines, what I can write? Okay, I can write their ratio. Okay, SQ upon QP is equals to BD upon DA. Okay, BA. So I am writing here SQ upon QP is equals to dB upon BA, dB upon BA. What is the reason? By property of three parallel lines and their transversal Okay, so according to by property of three parallel lines and their transversal, we can write SQ upon QP is equals to dB upon BA. Now we can do the componendo operation. Okay, by componendo, what we are getting here, SQ upon QP, we have to add here QP, okay, is equals to dB plus BA upon BA. Okay, now if we observe that SQ is here and PQ is here, okay, now SQ plus QP is PS, ये दोनों का एडिशन करेगा, SQ प्लस QP करे तो क्या मिलता हमको SP, ओके, SP अपॉन QP इज इक्वल्स टू DB जमा BA, DB प्लस BA, what we are getting, AD upon BA. Okay, now we can put the values, okay, and we can write the reason of this. What is the reason? P dash Q dash S and A dash B dash D. It means that the 3 points are collinear or lie on the same line. Okay, now we are putting the values. 280 upon value of PQ, we don't know, is equals to AD. If you observe AD, it is the sum of CD plus BC plus BA. So we can write the addition of these, or we can write add one step, BC plus CB plus BA upon BA. Okay, now we can put individual values of CD, CB and BA. Okay, so 280 upon QP is equals to 80 plus 70 plus 60 upon BA. If we add these three, what we are getting? 280 upon, okay, sorry, BA. Value of BA we can also put 60. Okay, 280 upon QP is equals to 60 plus 70, 130. 130 plus 8, 210. 210 upon 60. Now we can do the cross multiplication. Okay, 280 into 60 upon 210 is equals to QP. Okay, now 0 0 answer. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28, 0, and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 0. We are getting value of QP is 80. Value of QP is 80. Just we have find value of PQ is equals to 80. Okay, value of, now we are taking these three lines PA, QB and RC. Okay, now PA parallel to QB parallel to RC. Okay, from 1 we can write from equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now we can write according to the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. we can write here PQ upon QR is equals to AB upon BC. AB upon, what is the reason? Property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Okay, so according to this, if after that we have to put the values in that, okay, so I am writing from here, okay, PQ, value of PQ is 80, value of QR is, we have to find, value of AB we are knowing, value of BC we are knowing. So just we have to put the values in equation number 2, or we can say in this equation. Okay, now 80 upon QR as it is equals to AB 60 upon BC, value of BC 70. Okay, now do the cross multiplication. QR is equals to 80 into 70 upon 60. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled, 6 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now we have to multiply 7 with 40, 7 for the 280, 0 as it is, upon 3. Value of QR is equals to 280 upon 3. Okay, so we are getting value of this QR, okay, and we have to find the value of RS, and we are knowing the value of PS. Okay, so these are the points of same line. P, Q, RS are the points on the same line. So we can write here PS is equals to PQ plus QR plus RS. Okay, what is the reason? Reason is P dash Q dash R and Q dash R dash S. Okay, and we are knowing the value of PS 280. 280 is equals to value of PQ 80 plus QR. We don't know value of QR. We know value of QR is 280 upon 3, and we have to find the value of RS. Now we can manage the equation. Okay, I am writing here (280) minus 80 minus 280 upon 3 is equals to RS. Okay, now if we subtract 280 minus 80, then we are getting 200 minus 280 upon 3 is equals to RS. Okay, if I do the cross multiplication, 3 2s are 600 minus 280. Okay, then this is RS 3. Okay, 600 minus 280, 600 minus 280, 0, 320 upon 3. This is the value of RS, okay, which we have to find. Okay, thanks for watching this video.